My screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I need to open something. Where is that? Yeah, that one. Okay, so this one is a semantic tag element we are using for header. Like I will zoom that one. You have to or a decent idea about that. Okay, first one we are using header part. Okay, and in that main we are using section. Okay, the whole is section, and we are sections divided into two part. It's navigation part and main part. Okay, and in that navigation we have menu. Okay, and in the menu we have like home, but home about content contact or like content whatever you are writing inside that it will be shown in that form. Okay, but section is a tag, nav is a tag, menu is a tag. Okay, the semantic tag. So if you go to the main, we have in the main we have uh figure figure caption. This whole like first one is that figure, and inside that we have figure caption. And if you go to about like div, inside div we can write any of the span inside that for like span we are using for like a particularly if you want to emphasize that word by using color or like background color whatever, or like a bold italic, or like in something like you want to increase the particular font size, then you can by using span. Okay, so next thing article, if you want to write the article then you can. Okay, if you want to dialogue we are there also inside that. Okay, and after that we have aside and aside. If you want to aside the right side then you can. If you want to change that aside to the left side and the navigation will be in that right side, you can. If you want to navigation will be in that in the below of the header then you can. Okay, as per your requirement you have to use it. Okay, so next thing is footer. Okay, so we have to go to the footer. Is a footer we are using for footer purpose, like whatever we are designing for footer. I hope you got a decent idea about that, like what is semantic tag and where we are using the semantic tag and what are the semantic tag are there, like header, footer, section, nav, menu, main, figure, figure caption, and div, span, article, and dialogue, and aside. Okay, these are the semantic tag element. If you are in doubt you can ask me. So we are not using basically the figure caption and figure all these things. So, figure means you know that if you paste an image inside that, this is a figure. And figure caption means if you want to highlight that like picture to defining a particular, like this picture is a natural or this picture is a travel, whatever you are mentioning in that one, it's the figure caption. Means the client will be understand what are the picture you are inserting inside that, it will understand better. Okay, and division means if you want to divide the particularly in the main section then you can by using divide or like section whatever. And aside means you know that like we are divide particularly for advertisement purpose or like any of that purpose we are assigning that particularly. If you go to the w3 square, there are like a advertisement in that right side. I will show you later. So next thing is article. If you want to write an article or like something content inside that, then you can. Okay, as for your requirement you have to use that one. Okay, if you not require inside that, then you without using the semantic tag you can uh, build a website or build a web page whatever. Okay, by using div also. I hope you got a decent idea. So I will show you a w3 square how like advertisement work. Wait, I will open that w3 square. Cool. Okay, anyone facing any difficulty in that assignment, please add in the chat box so I will suggest you all that whatever like doubt you have. Okay, if I go to that like something tutorial inside, if I go to that Angular, have you heard that one? This one is like a advertisement. It's performing inside that. Okay, the square video like this is the aside. Okay, if you the navigation bar. Picture inside that, figure caption, figure, all these things we are there inside that. Okay, I hope you understand that one. So let's designing a particular website by using semantic tag. Then you have to got decent idea like how we designing that particularly without using like division, all these things. So I will show you at first how like we are designing a particular structure of the website. So okay, this one is the Amazon to make by using semantic element. Have you observed that one? At first we have need to be designing the header part is Amazon shopping website, and in the below of that we are need to like four button inside that it's the navigation bar. Okay, when I click that like home button or about button, contact button or advertisement, whatever I like click inside that, it will navigate to the other page. Okay, so you need to make that other page for like home, about, and contact or like advertisement. Okay, and if you require like inside that other like a navigation bar in that left side, then you can but inside the heavy of that one we are designing same button inside that like home, about, contact, and product, whatever. So if you want designing a product inside, if you want to like a divide that or like filter by using like a shop footwear, like a fashion and like a grocery, whatever you have to using that inside that you can. So inside have you there is some main content, if you want to write something inside that you can. And inside like right side we are giving a site for advertisement. Okay, and in that below of that footer we need to designing a like copyright. Inside we have to design like three part. Okay, for that we need to like using div. Okay, so we need to divide like three part. It's like a one part one, part two, part three. Inside the part one we need to we get to know us, about us, career, and second one is connect with us, Facebook, Twitter, and make money with us, sell an Amazon advertisement, whatever you need. Okay, so if you require any like particular search bar in that like header, you can. If you want to give the icon at the particular like a social media icon, then you can inside that below of that particularly in that footer. Okay, you can do that more than that, but I will designing something like basically so how we need to designing a particular website by using semantic tag. Okay, let's see. Visual Studio 4. Yeah, it's opening now. I need to close that one and I need that one, right? Yeah. So I need to create like another or okay, I will designing inside the semantic tag, it's better. Wait, it's processing. We don't that one, I will close outline. Wait, I will done. So I hope my screen is visible clearly. If not, please write in the chat box so I will zoom out. Okay? Zoom in or zoom out, whatever you require. Okay, at first I need something header part, but before that I need something like a HTML. Okay, so let's start. So inside we have HTML head, body, all these things are there, and we need to write like Amazon, AMAZON, Amazon shopping. Okay, that's the main title. So next thing is we need to divide that one by using semantic tag. So we require header. Okay, done. In the header we have Amazon shopping, SHOPPING shopping. Okay, so inside that I need a navigation bar. So you type nav. Inside I need UL for divide that particularly li, and inside li I need for like content. But before that, I will design something to that anchor tag also. Inside that, it's anchor and anchor done. Okay, I need more than like a three like li list item, 1 2 3. Okay, and that one is like home dot hash, like home is the home. Okay, sorry. Next is about a b, about. Okay, and next thing is like contact, and next thing is advertise. Okay, advertise. Okay, done. We done that like header part and navigation part. Okay, next we have to design the section. So you have to write section. In that section I need a menu, sorry, it's menu. I not need main, I need to menu. Okay, inside the menu I will design the ul part. I will copy that one, it's better. uh, okay, done. So next thing, I need to write the content inside the section. So I need to write the inside the section, right? It's article you have to write inside that. Okay, done. And next side you require a site. Okay, done. A site. So I hope you got that one. Next we have to designing footer. Okay, so all the semantic type we are writing inside that. Let's connect with that like one to each other. So first thing, I will open that one live server, then I will design. Wait. Hello. Okay, wait. It's connected. It's opening soon. So I will designing something main all done. So I need to write inside that advertisement ADS. So this advertisement I need to mention that, and I need a copyright inside that. So it's hash two, and in the hash two I need to write like copyright 2021. You can count like Amazon. Okay, and I need to divide that particularly. Wait, how it's like look like. Let's see. We need to CSS also to be like designing something like color, all these things. Yeah. Okay, let's look like that one. So 200 not required. Okay, done. So next thing, we done all that things, but in the head like footer, I need this one. It's division. I need to divide like three part. It's part one, and I need like part two, and like part three. Okay, you can call it like a. You can write like class. It's like foot one class two, and like wait, you have to write like a class 3 class. It's like a foot 3. Okay, according to your requirement you have to write that like classes. Okay, if you want to write like a career, like all these things you can write. Okay, so next thing, I require get to know. So I will write inside that like li. You to, you can write its div also as well, but if you want to designing UI you can. So li inside get to node. Okay, So li, it's about us. So next thing is tail. Okay. So next thing we designing like UL also. So in that UL you require li. It's like connect with us, connect with us. Okay. So next thing is Facebook, Twitter. We have tried Facebook, and this one is a Twitter. Okay, Twitter. Okay, done. So I will write inside that also footer 3 because we are divided that footer in the 3 part. So third footer is like what is that content we have? Make money with us. So you will inside you have to write li and you have to write make money with us, money with us. Okay, and you have to write li. It's like sell on Amazon. Amazon. Next we have advertisement. Okay, like and advertisement. Advertise. Okay, done. So let's see how it looks. Okay, it's like a something in that like a line. You can observe that one. Okay, but I need to set all these things whatever you require inside that. But before that, I need to close the image. I not require that one. So done. Wait. So next we need to write the CSS as well. So style inside we need at first we are designing the header part. If you require in the header part, it's like a something what is that? It's like require a source box or anything you can. If you require source box, let's see I will designing something a source box as well. So it's H1 inside you have to write like that one. It's like a Amazon shopping, and inside you have to write like division or span whatever. So inside you have to write like sort box whatever. I will designing that one by using CSS, not very. So next thing, okay, I will show you, but you need to understand the coding at first. So first thing is header. The header we need background color, right? It's background color. Inside the background color, I need to choose something background color. Wait. So background color I required that one. It's better. Okay, let's see. It's like done, but I need to something margin zero and like border zero all these things, padding margin all these things zero, margin 0 pixel and like padding 0. Okay, so let's see. It's working fine now, but I need to change something in that content like a something bigger than that or whatever you can. So how? Let's see. Okay. So H1 you have to write that ID inside that ID. It's like a logo or you can call it like brand name. Okay, because if I give that header, whole the header will be in that like center, then it will be that whole header will be center. But I want that like a Amazon website will be in the center and like D1 like source box will be in that like right side. So that's why I need to like divide by another way. Okay, so it's like a brand name. Yes, you have to using ID. That's why you need to like prefix is like a horse. Okay, brand name, brand name. Inside you have to write like alignment, text alignment, center. Okay, it's now center. Next thing, we have to designing the deep division, but before that, I want to increase the height of that. It's height. It's like a something 100 pixel or like 150 pixel, you can call it 150 pixel. That's okay, but I need to like more little bit change. It's like 100 pixel if I give. Yeah, it's not better, but I need to change something. 80 pixel if I give. It's better now. Okay. So next thing, we need to create a like login box. If you want to use input, you can input. Inside you have to text. Okay. So in that it is available. Okay. So but I want something like inside that span as well. So that's why I need to divide like division. It's like inside I need to press that one, and before that I will write span, and inside it's class. It's like pass for search, pass for search. But I need to use that like serial link. Wait, is that it's net bar? Yeah, net bar is I think there. I need to use that serial link for like extract that particular icon from that. So I will copy and I'll paste inside that. Okay, done. So it's done. आगे here ये. So if you want to on that right side, then you have to use something inside that. I will change brand name. Brand name is other, but I need to divide its division. It's like I will give another one. Its ID. It's like search. EARCH search. Okay. So inside the search, I will design in the SEARCH. Inside the float, it's left. Sorry, right. Indeed. So what is float? Anyone asked me in the before. So basically, float we are using for left writing the like any of the particular content or like particular box, whatever. Okay. So next thing, I need to something margin right, like a 10 pixel. Okay, it's done. It look like better, but I need to change like designing something more in that top side. I need to give that top. It's margin wait, it's margin top 10 pixel. Let's see. Yeah, it's more than that, but I need to give that minus better, I think. Minus 10 pixel. Okay, but I need it's like a 50. Okay, done. It look like better now. So next thing, the source box will be in that inside that. Okay, like a source box, and inside the source box I need to write that source box, or you can write it the placeholder. It's placeholder, SEARCH search. Okay, done. If you want to capital, you can. Okay, so next I need, yeah, that particularly I will write inside that style and like a position of shoot, and inside its margin how many they give 5 pixel. If I give that one, let's see. Yeah, it look better, but have you observed that one like a in the upper up side of that like particular sorts, it will be like, but I need to something padding all these things. I will manage all these things. Wait 2 minutes. So 5 pixel done, but I need something 4.5. 4. Obviously it look better, but I need to change the source box, right? So it's like inside input you have to write type search. Wait, type inside text margin. Wait, sorry. Inside I not need to I write extra. Yeah. So margin, it's like a margin left 20 pixel. Okay, wait, it will be come to that inside that, right? Okay, I will write the position as well. Position relative, if I write, it's not working. Okay, wait, I will change that one. Its position absolute. Okay, it goes to that. Okay, don't worry. I will only I will show you in that one CSS. Don't worry. So next thing is that, yeah, I will remove that one. Not need that time. Okay. If you require placeholder, then you have to use input. We are using placeholder. Inside its margin left 20 pixel. Inside it's not changing, right? Okay, not an issue. We'll solve that one in the CSS. If you're taking more time, it will, but I will teach you like semantic tag, non required. But you have to understand like in the CSS how we designing that and how we change that like a particular margin and like margin top, margin left, margin right in that CSS as well. In the how place order you can tuck in the input box inside that whatever you write inside that will be form in that right in the particular position, so we can do that all this in, don't worry. So let's designing. I will remove that one search. We not require inside the placeholder. It's look a ugly. Okay, it's look better now. So next thing I will design something a navigation bar, right? So search all these things done. Yeah. So next thing, that's navigation nav. Inside you have to write UL and li. It is like a parent, child. Okay, this is a child. Okay. So inside you have to write in that UL, it's a display text not working. Okay, ratio. I will check this navigation inside UL. Okay, if I give navigation only UL and UL, okay, I need to write that inline. Okay, inline blocks. It's working fine now. Okay, done. So next thing, I need to remove that like all these things, but before that, I need color all these things and margin, margin, margin left or right, whatever you need. If I want to give that right, it's like a 10 pixel. Every of that li, I need 10 pixel. And we'll divide it, but I need more than that. So you have to use like a 3em. That's better. If you talk about like what is em, this is a unit of that. Okay. So like I will write that one inside. X alignment center, then I will change. Right. Let's look now. Better. Okay. It's like something 20 pixel or like 5em. Yeah, yeah. I will remove that. Wait. So next thing will be, wait, it will opening that. Yeah. So next if you require in that right side, then you can by using like float right, and inside if you like a margin all these things, then you can use the margin left. So it will be in that navigation, then you have to use like a nav, and inside if you write a margin right or margin left, then it will be in that 20 pixel whatever you need, you have to give inside that. Okay, if you observe that one, it will be moved that one. So if you require more than that, then you have to use 7 or like 6 pixel or 8em, then you have to use it's better. Okay, you can change the particular position in that like using margin. By using float, you can change the position of that like right, left, all these things. Okay, if you require like a content will be in the center, alignment, whatever, then you have to use like justify like a left, right, and like whatever you need, you have to write. Okay. So I think we've done all these things, but we have to change that. What is that? It's a underline is there. I think in that below of that underline is there. Why it's underline coming? Because we are giving the particular link inside that anchor. That's why it's coming. So I need to change that one by using anchor also. So then you have to go inside and you have to write navigation li and ulli, and inside a it's anchor tag. Inside you have to give that like a font style. It's like a none. Okay, done. Not done. Okay, not issue. I will change that one. I think font style not working finally. Inside you will, yeah. Okay, so we have font, size, width, variant, display. Okay, font display. Like before we are designing something, I think navigation. Wait, I will check. What is the like property I will be using inside that? I will check. Navigation. It's like margin, font style. Okay, font style I'm using. Font style. I think I already used that one. Font style, underline, unset. All these things are there. Okay, I will use it on unset. Let's see. Okay, still it's not working. Okay, if I give a particular ID inside that, it's working or not. Let's see. I will check that. A home, and inside I will give that home, HOME home. Inside I need to write the font style, and it's none. Let's see. It's working, not working. Okay. Okay, I will tell you later like how we remove that particular like anchor tag. It's like a particular underline because it's a default. It's coming defaultly. Okay, so I'll remove that one. So next thing we are giving the color, particular color. Then you have to use background color. Background color, it's like a particularly if you want to use that one, you have to choose from the color picker. Okay, done. But you need to padding like margin all these things. Then you have to use inside like a margin top. It's like 2 em. It's more than that, but I need 1.5. It's better. If I give 1 em, it's better. Okay, so next thing I need something, yeah, color also, but I need padding as well. Okay, so you have to write padding and like 10 pixel whatever you have to write like padding. So what is padding, what is margin, I will like teach you later at the CSS also. So now you have to observe that one what happened inside that 15 pixel, but I not require that much. If you give like a 10 pixel and like 15 pixel, it will be counted better. It's like 8 or 12 pixel. If I change that like a that one, let's see what happens. I will give like 25. Okay, it will be like increase the side of that width of that okay particular button. So next thing I will write that border radius like a 10 pixel. Okay, it look like better now. So next thing will be I require the color of that particular. So I will designing by UL, it's navigation, and ULI and A. Next we have to design in color. It's white. Okay, it's done now. It look like better, but I need to change something black. It look better, black. Wait. Yeah, it's look like better now. So if I give font style, font stretch, font size variant, we have there font weight. In font style, for variant, we have inheritance, onset, normal. Okay. So if I write font style, let's check that one again. It's changing or not. Normal, non. Okay, it's not changing, not an issue. I will let you know tomorrow or like in the CSS as well. So next I need to change something, something whatever. Yeah, home, and like I need to write something article inside that whatever. So at first I will write down that one. It's like a ULLI. It will look like better. Let's see. It will like that one, but I don't need that one. So I have to write like navigation. Okay. It will be target to that navigation. Like in that navigation, we have ULLI. It will be target the particularly. Okay. That's why you write like navigation inside. We have UL, and inside that we have LI. Okay, that's much you have to write. Next thing, we need to write like a something menu, a section. Sorry, it's menu. We have UL. Okay, so it's menu, new menu UL li, and inside I have to write display uh, block. I don't need to like line, so I need to write in block. So text alignment will be center. Okay, and let's see how it look now. How text line center. I know in that one. Okay, I will write the left side. Yeah, it's left side. So if you require margin bottom, then you have to write 10 pixel or 20 pixel, whatever. You have to write inside that. Okay, it look like better now. So if you want like a margin left, then you have to write like 15 pixel. Yeah, it look better now. And I need something color inside that. It's background color. Background color. It's like something pink. It's look like pink, but I need to change that width and height. So I will write a menu inside menu. This menu inside it's like a width is like 10%. Okay, now it look like better. So if you want like a something padding as well, you have to write padding. It's 20 pixel, or like border radius. Border radius it's like a 10 pixel. Looks like a ugly. Wait, I will change something inside that. It's 5 pixel if I write 5 pixel. Okay, then yeah, it's I need something more. Okay, 2 pixel. That's not right. Okay, okay. Padding will be required change. Okay, sorry. It's like a 10 pixel required, and inside I need to change something 10 as well. It's like a if you write like 5 pixel, and inside like if you require 10 pixel, then you have to use. Okay, it look like better now. So next thing we have to design. If you require like border, you have to write border, and inside like 2 pixel, and you have to write pixel solid or dotted whatever. We have to write a color. It's like blue or green. We have to write golden, gold. Okay, you can designing any of the particular color, but if you require another, it's not like it a contract like color contrast is different, so you have to write. Okay, now it's look better. So let's like how it divided. I will check. Then I will designing something, because I need to inside the in between that I need to mention. So yeah. So in the section we are divided the section into 3 parts. It's like a menu, and like what is that? Yeah, menu is a menu, and we have article, and we have SI. But it will be taking the whole like a menu in that whole part. I think whole part, not whole part. Okay, I will write inside that. Wait, it's like section. I think section is done, but I need to change. Okay, lorem, orm, lorem 50. Okay, it will be in that form, but I need something in between that. So fast, as fast I need to change the article. article styles, article inside I will go and I will change something like width. I require like a 50%. Okay, in the 50%. Okay. So section I will divide that one section like a width 100%, 100 pixel, sorry 100%, and it will be display inline inline block, but it's not divided. Okay, okay, don't worry, I will check. It's like inside the section we have there, I think. Yeah, section menu article aside we have there. Section is not divided. Section, yeah. Width and like 100% and inline block we have to run. If I write flex, let's see what happens. Flex. Yeah, it look like better now. Okay. So next thing I will change something like a it's inside that it's 70 pixel 70%, sorry. So now it's better. 65 or 68 you can, not 60 80, 680. Okay, done. So I need something will be in that uh, margin margin left 50 pixel. Okay, now it's better. So you can write inside that just like a margin 50 pixel. So it will be, yeah. Okay. So adding next we have to go to the aside. You have to design the aside inside aside its border. You have to give that like width and height. Okay. The height width is like a 20 pixel. We divided like 100% the section, and in that we are giving the 68 and like 20 it's like, yeah, 40. That's, yeah, but I need something border as well. Border is 1 2 pixel solid, dark, and height we require it's like a 200 pixel. It's not coming by SID. Okay, I think I will wrong. Okay, not wrong. What happened? I need to write something like I think we work fine. Okay, I will change that one. It's like a aside. The inside I will write a division. Wait, what is that? Yeah, this one. If inside you have to write, and inside I will write like ID section, or sorry, aside. What happened? I need to change something about it. Wait, I will check inside inspect. You have to go, and inside we have article. This one is the article. This one is the aside, right? In the aside, we are not giving any of the particularly. If I give for inside, it's like a border, and like inside the border 1 pixel solid. Yeah, it's coming get now. Solid dark, you can call it dark blue, whatever. Okay, next if you require width, then you have to write what is the width we have to give. It's 20%. Okay, and if you require something color or like whatever, then you have to use inside that, but I don't need. So I will paste inside the style of the inline style. That's better. Wait, I will write inside that style. Inside you have to write border. Okay, done. Yeah. look better? Yeah, not an issue. Okay, so if you want to change something like a particularly margin right, then you can. You have to write inside it's like a 18%, and it's like a margin right, it's like a 5 pixel. Okay, now it's 5 pixel a little bit. So next we have to designing the footer part. Let's see how designing we need to designing that one. So if you require like a particular image, then you can. If I give that image, any of the image inside src dot dot slash, inside we have pic, I think picture, like picture. Okay, picture. And if I give like a fish, inside I will write a all text is fish, and inside I will give that width is 50 pixel, and like height is as well 50 pixel. Okay, done. So let's check. It's working out fine. What happened? Yeah, it's working fine. If you require like a something break, then you have to use break. Feel better now. If you require more than that, then you have had to change that one. It's like 100 pixel, and height if you require, like you have to give 18 pixel. Okay, done. So next, designing that head footer part, you have to go to footer. So you have to write the footer, and inside background color. It's like you have to choose them from that color picker. Then now we have to designing. If you require like a width origin, then you have to choose like a height, like 400 pixel. You have to write the section, then it will be fine now. Okay, I will change that one to 350 or 300 is better. Okay, done. Next we have to designing something inside that. Okay, so I will give that one inside its footer division. Okay, you have to write inside that AID. It's like a main footer. Okay, you have to write, and you have to copy that footer name, and you have to write something CSS as well. What is that? Display, flex, and let's see. Yeah, it look better, but I need to change something. So you have to write like a uh, main. You have to write footer. Inside you have ULLI. What are the ULLI? You need to time that like a list style. List style type. You have to write none. Okay, done now. So let's doing something great inside that height, like 150 pixel. Okay. So the header will be that heading. Have you observed that one that like we have h2? So the h2 will be in that center. Though I need to be write that footer. Footer into h2 has to be have text alignment center. Okay, done. So if you require like particularly every of that particularly what is that? Between the space, then you have to use flex direction basic flow warp go. Okay, direction we have alignment, justify content, text line center. Let's see, it's working fine. Not, yeah, it's working fine, but I need to use something justify content or like another one. Justify content, inside we have center baseline, space between are there, yeah, space around you have there, and space between also as well there. Yeah, it look like that one. If you want to change something, then you have to manually you have to change. So I will show you that one as well. So So you have to write footer 1, footer 2, all these things. It's like a class. So foot 1 and foot 2. This one is as well class. And we have another one. Foot margin right 2 em. It's working fine, I think. I need to give that something better. It's like a 5 em. Okay, but I will change something like that one as well in that footer or main foot, whatever. It's like a text alignment center. It's not changing. Okay. Not issue. We'll change that one. It's like a 6 em. Then you have to go. It's like a foot 1, and you have to change the margin left 2 em or like 5 em. You can. Okay, it looks like better, but I need something more. 10 em. Okay, done now. Wait, done. That's like. Okay, it look like better now. Okay, if you require like something in below of that, then you have to use margin inside. I think footer, not footer. You have to write inside that margin bottom or like top. You have to give top and 20 pixel. Okay, looks like better now. If you want to use that color, any of that white or like pink or like blue or green, whatever, then you can. Okay, it is not a responsive web designing. It's like only a responsive, not responsive. We are designing a particular website by using semantic element, whatever the semantic element we have. So I hope you got a decent idea about that. If you have any question, you can ask in the chat box as well. You can we can use the text decoration none, sir. Okay, yes, yeah, sure. If you want to, yeah, it's like I'll forget that one. If you wait, I will change that one. It's like anchor text. If I write inside ul ulli, okay, inside we have text decoration none. Yeah, I forget that one. That's why it's problem. Wait, I will change. It's working fine, I think. But it processing all things refreshing. Okay, any doubt, guys? Wait, it's working fine. Wait a minute, it's not responding. Okay, show Prachi and like Govinda, any doubt? Manish and Rani, Radheshri, another one. Have any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
ओके गोविंद आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है yeah it's not yeah it's changing now okay it's look better you have to write like text decoration none okay if you want to change that underline in that anchor text then you have to use text decoration none if you want to like particular content underline if you want to change then you have to use like a font style it's like none okay this is the something you have to remember sir, could you please upload this code so that we can go through it and in the future? Yeah, sure. I will upload that one in that classroom. Okay, you have to go there and you have to understand what are the things we need to. And difference in pixel percentage EM. Okay, Prachi, I will tell you like, what are the unit in the CSS. We have many unit are there. Is PC, PX, and we have EM. Other one is there also. So I will tell you later like what are the unit are there. You have to got a decent idea about that. Okay. So I hope you got a decent idea about the semantic tag, but later I will definitely I will teach you like a pixel what the unit are there in the CSS as well in that we are using for programming. Okay, so don't worry. Any doubts? Okay. So guys, if any no doubt, you have to give your attendance, then you can leave. Thank you so much, guys, for your attendance, for your presence, and for listening me. Have a good day. Bye. Give your attendance in the chat box, then you can leave. Okay. If you can leave in that without giving your attendance, then you have to, it's marking as absent. You have to remember. And I hope you cleared all that assignment today. Like our team will be assigning that assignment as well. Okay. So you have to designing by using semantic tag, though it's like a practice you have to done inside that semantic tag. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye. हेलो सर, पाथा सर,
यस सर।
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ कर दीजिए, बोल रहा हूँ आपको।
हेलो।
हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ कर दीजिए, मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ सर।